Good morning, it's Don from Diggs Custom Homes, and I'm out here in South Hill, Puyallup, heading to a job site on the side of a hill, steep hill, where a house burned down on a family. Fortunately, they were able to get out on time, and we're going to see if we can demo the foundation and replace the existing structure with a new daylight basement. And before doing that, we have to consult with a professional geologist called a Geotech. We're going to meet an excavator on site and dig some deep test holes, take some soil samples, send those to the lab to see the structural and chemical makeup of the soil to make sure that the side hill is stable and we are not in an active landslide area. So that's what we're doing today. See you in a bit. It's got some clay, it's got some moisture, some clay mix, but that's what that glacial till is. It's a mix of clay, sand, rock, moisture, a lot of large rocks and cobbles in there. You can see the sand, some of the pines. Dinner.